Good morning, my name is Ilangon Tanggawelu, founder and special advisor of Malaysia Drone Chamber Commerce and Industry. We are in MRANTi, especially with the PHDCCI delegates from Delhi, India. They are oldest, largest, founded in 1905. They have massive experience from the commercials, authorities, licensing, certifications, and also up to CSR programs, a variety of valuable benefiting programs across India. In this event, delegates meeting, MRANTi supporters, all other governments, authorities, especially I like to wish the gratitude of thank you for the on-time communication of each individual, including Rakesh Shukla, especially the video of, initiated by our Sanjay Peswell. The information we in Malaysia, from the Drone Chamber of Malaysia, we can and able to nurture the years of experience, the nicheness which they have, the specialization, the professionalism they're handling in India, and the amount of country they visited. It's amazing, it's inspiring. And the current meeting have given a value of a transaction between India and Malaysia from drone, AI, and other industries such as recycling, medicals, and transportation, for example, could worth around 5 billion US dollar next 3 years time. So I invite everyone to contact us. We are having physical trips to PHDCCI Delhi, India within around 3 to 6 month time. Thank you very much. Ilang Gowan Tanggulu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.